Hey, so I've been looking everywhere for the Little Debbie Christmas tree cake ice cream. Sold at Walmart, was available November 1st around the country, but I can't find it anywhere. It is not in my area. So I thought, you know what, this is a great idea. I'm just gonna make it myself. So we're gonna do this together. We're gonna get some vanilla bean ice cream, and we're gonna get some Christmas tree cakes right here, okay? We're gonna somehow blend these together. I've got a little Ninja mixer. We're gonna blend them together. See what we come up with. Okay, so I got my Ninja here, got my cup, got my vanilla bean ice cream, and we're gonna go ahead, scoop some of this ice cream into this cup. Figure since I can't go out and buy the Christmas tree cake ice cream, I'll just make it myself. All right, so got 3 scoops in there. Okay, now we're gonna take the best part here, okay? This is what we're going after. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put an entire Christmas tree cake into this. Push that right on down in there. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of ice cream right on top. We're gonna mix this up good. Now I'm debating if I should add some milk or not. We're gonna have to just see how this turns out and go from there. So we're gonna do a couple of scoops on top. So everything should be mixed in there pretty good. Okay, we're gonna put the mixing lid on here, tighten that down. And here we go, let's see what we got. Okay, so we're gonna need to add some milk to this. Didn't quite work out the way I had that going here, just too thick. So we're gonna add some milk. And I think this is probably gonna get more like a milkshake consistency, so that's okay. We're gonna refreeze it when we're done. Let's see what we got here. All right, so now you can see all that liquid kind of flowing down. Okay. So I can see everything mixing up much better now that there's milk in there. Everything's falling down. I can see the little red sugar crystals from the red icing from the Christmas tree cakes. Oh yeah, I can hear it hitting the chunks of the Christmas tree cakes. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this is actually, I don't know if you can see or not, this is a really good thick consistency. And yeah, it's actually, it's pretty runny, but it's thick. I think if I refreeze this, I think it'll be great. Go ahead and get a taste here. Oh yeah, that tastes just like Christmas tree cakes with vanilla ice cream. That is good. So the thing now is to get the texture, to get the consistency right. So I think I'm just gonna put this in the freezer and then let it harden up a little bit and we'll see how it looks. Okay, here's the finished product. I've had it in the freezer for about 10 minutes and it's thickened up nicely. You can see those colors in there. You can see those little red specks. That Christmas tree cake is nicely blended in there, and it could be a little bit thicker, but I was kind of anxious to get this out of the freezer and try it. So let's take a taste and see what we got. Okay, quickly melting. Oh, there's actually some little chunks of Christmas tree cake in there. That's good. I think if I was to let this sit in the freezer maybe 10 more minutes, maybe 20 minutes total, this would be the perfect thickness and consistency. You know, I could have maybe put a little bit less milk in it, but either way, it's really good. I'm still anxious to try the actual Christmas tree cake that was being sold at Walmart. If any of you have actually tried that, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of it. I'm hoping to get it in my area at some point. I've checked stores and checked online every day, and it's just nowhere in my area, unfortunately. But you know, this is a pretty pretty good alternative. I actually would have never thought to do this. So by them making that, it gave me an idea. And my other idea is I actually have the chocolate Christmas tree cakes as well. I could put that in some chocolate ice cream or maybe in the vanilla ice cream and get a chocolate flavor of it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to go ahead and keep on eating this, and I'll see you on the next video.